Hey there, science fans! Have you ever stopped to think about how amazing smartphones are? We carry these little rectangles everywhere. They connect us to friends, family, and a world of information. But have you ever wondered what's going on inside that sleek glass and metal case? Let's take a peek behind the screen and explore the incredible technology that makes smartphones tick. We use smartphones for almost everything now. We check the weather, order food, and even control our homes with a few taps. But how does all of this happen? It all starts with some seriously cool tech working together in perfect harmony. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover the secrets of smartphones. We'll learn about the brains that make decisions, the invisible waves that let us talk to someone far away, and much more. So buckle up, and let's get started on this exciting adventure into the world of smartphones. Imagine a tiny chip, smaller than your fingernail, that acts like the brain of your smartphone. That's the processor. It's the command center, making millions of calculations every second. Without it, your phone would be as useful as a rock. Think of the processor like the conductor of an orchestra. The conductor tells each instrument when to play, how loud, and for how long. Similarly, the processor tells all the other parts of the phone what to do. It manages everything from opening apps to playing videos. The faster the processor, the faster your phone can think and react. It's like having a super speedy brain that can juggle multiple tasks without breaking a sweat. Pretty impressive for such a tiny component, right? Now, even with a powerful brain like the processor, a phone needs a set of instructions to follow. That's where the operating system, or OS, comes in. You can think of the OS as the manager of the phone. Imagine a busy office. The OS is like the office manager who makes sure everything runs smoothly. It tells the processor what to do, organizes files, and makes sure the phone can talk to other devices. The OS is what you see and interact with on your screen. The icons, menus, and settings are all part of the OS. It's the bridge between you and the complex hardware inside the phone, making it easy for you to use. Ever wondered how you can talk to your friend who's miles away? It's all thanks to the magic of wireless communication. Smartphones use invisible waves called radio waves to send and receive information. Think of it like shining a flashlight. You can't see the light beam, but you can see where it lands. Similarly, phones send out radio waves that carry your voice or data. These waves travel through the air to cell towers and then to your friend's phone. Wi-Fi is another type of wireless communication. It lets your phone connect to the internet without wires. It's like having an invisible cable connecting your phone to a network of information. Pretty neat, huh? So, how do all these parts, the processor, the OS, and wireless communication, work together to make your phone so smart? Let's take the example of making a call. When you tap the phone icon and dial a number, the processor springs into action. It tells the OS to open the phone app. Then the phone uses radio waves to connect to the nearest cell tower. Your voice is converted into digital signals and sent through the tower to your friend's phone. Their phone converts the signals back into audible sound and voila, you're talking. All of this happens in the blink of an eye thanks to the seamless teamwork of all the components inside your phone. From making calls to browsing the web, smartphones have become indispensable tools in our lives. And while they may seem simple to use, there's a whole lot of complex technology packed inside that sleek exterior. We've learned about the powerful processor that acts as the brain, the OS that keeps everything organized, and the wonders of wireless communication. Together, these components create a symphony of technology that makes our lives easier, more connected, and a whole lot more fun. So, next time you pick up your smartphone, take a moment to appreciate the incredible science and engineering that makes it all possible. It's a true marvel of modern technology.